Hello everyone, Pedro with you, and in this video I'm going to show you how to delete all saved posts on Instagram at once. So actually it is very quick and easy. I'll show you how to do that, but you need to watch this video till the end so you won't miss any important steps. So first of all, we need to open Instagram and open our profile. So from our profile we need to click on the three lines in the top right corner and open settings and activity. Here in the settings and activity you will find the how you use Instagram section, and the first option here is saved. You need to click on it, and here basically in this list you will see reels and posts. So basically this is everything that you saved. If you click on the little manage button next to the reels and posts, so click on the manage, you will see all posts that you ever saved. So basically, to delete all saved posts, all we have to do is to simply click on the select all button in the top right corner and then click on the unsave button in the bottom left corner. Now all we have to do is to simply confirm the action clicking on the unsave once again, and that is basically it. That is how we can delete all saved posts on Instagram at once. If you found this video useful, leave a like and subscribe to the channel.